Number 20. Which of the following describes the position of the moon, the sun, and the earth when spring tides occur? F. The sun is perpendicular 90 degrees to the moon and earth. G. The moon is perpendicular 90 degrees to the sun and earth. H. The moon, the sun, and the earth are in line with either the moon or earth in the middle. Or J. The moon, the sun, the earth are in line with either the moon or the sun is in the middle. 21. An atom of which element is represented by this model? A. Sodium, Na. B. Helium, He. C. Lithium, Li. D. Nitrogen, N. Number 22. Green plants make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. Sugar and oxygen forms when water and carbon dioxide are exposed to sunlight. Which of these is the best evidence that a chemical reaction occurs when carbon dioxide and water are exposed to sunlight? F. The shape of the water changes. G. Carbon dioxide is present. H. A new substance is produced. Or J. Water is made of more than one element. (23) Which diagram correctly shows the positions of the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon when an observer on Earth sees a waning gibbous? Number 24. 4 students push on a block of wood with the forces shown in the diagram below. 10, 8, 5 newtons, 2 newtons, block. The block slides horizontally. What is the net force acting on the block of wood? F. 3 newtons to the left. G. 8 newtons to the left. H. 11 newtons to the right. J. 25 newtons to the right. (25) A manufacturer selected a metal to use in the producing a part for use in an airplane. A metal that has a density of 10.5 grams per centimeter cubed was selected. Which of the metals was selected? You got metal, mass, and volume. Had a density of 10.5 grams per centimeter cubed. Metal 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 26. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram is used to classify stars. Canopus, Polaris, and Betelgeuse are classified as supergiant stars. Up over here. Based on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, what characteristics do these 3 stars have in common? Canopus, Polaris, Betelgeuse, supergiant. F. They all appear blue or blue-white. G. They all are very bright stars. H. They all are newly formed stars. Or J. They all have the highest surface temperatures. 27. Which pair of statements most accurately describe the Earth's position relative to the Sun in late March and in late September? A. The Earth's axis is not tilted towards or away from the Sun. The Sun shines directly over the equator and the northern and southern hemispheres receive the same amount of solar energy. B. The Earth's axis is parallel to the Sun. The Sun is directly over the poles, and the northern and southern hemispheres receive the same amount of solar energy. C. The northern end of the Earth's axis tilts towards the Sun. The western hemisphere receives more solar energy than does the eastern hemisphere. D. The southern end of the Earth's axis tilts towards the Sun. The eastern hemisphere receives more solar energy than does the western hemisphere. Number 28. A student mixes calcium oxide, CaO, and water, H2O, in a test tube. Which statement provides evidence that a chemical reaction occurred? F. The test tube became hot. G. The CaO completely dissolved in water. H. The mixing of two chemicals resulted in a chemical reaction. Or J. The CaO that did not dissolve settled on the bottom of the test tube. 29. Which of the following correctly describes where the Sun is located in our galaxy? A. The Sun is located near the edge of an elliptical-shaped galaxy. B. The Sun is located near the edge of a disc-shaped galaxy. C. The Sun is located in the center of a disc-shaped galaxy. Or D. The Sun is located in the center of an elliptical-shaped galaxy. Number 30. 3 students use their bodies to perform how the Sun and the Moon and the Earth are aligned during the phases of the Moon. What is one limitation of this model? The Sun, the Earth, and the Moon. F. It cannot show the relative motion of the 3 objects. G. It cannot show a large object such as the Sun. H. It cannot show how the Sun's light affects the Moon's appearance. Or J. It cannot use to show the direction of the Earth's revolution. Number 31. The tundra is the coldest biome. No trees grow in the tundra, and a limited amount of species exist in the tundra. However, the tropical rainforest biome hosts countless numbers of species of plants and animals. Which of the following statements best describes these biomes? A. The presence of more species in the tropical rainforest make it more sustainable environment. B. The tundra is more sustainable environment due to the limited biodiversity. C. The tropical rainforest is the least sustainable environment because of the greater number of predators. Or D. The lack of trees in the tundra make it more sustainable environment. Number 32. On September 5th, 2017, Hurricane Irma struck the Leeward Islands. After hitting the Leeward Islands and Puerto Rico, Hurricane Irma was predicted to hit the Bahamas on Saturday. Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas. If Hurricane Irma continued on the same path as predicted, which development would most likely have reduced its strength before it hit the Bahamas? F. Cool water moving into the ocean south of the Leeward Islands. G. Warm water moving into the ocean south of the Leeward Islands. H. Cool water moving into the ocean southeast of the Bahamas. Or J. Warm water moving into the ocean southeast of the Bahamas. Sorry. 33. What is the average speed of car D in kilometers per hour? Car D. Distance traveled. Time. Bubble it on the bubble grid. Number 34. The chemical formula for ethylene is C2H4. How many atoms are in the molecule of ethylene? Record that answer in the middle school section of your answer grid. We are done.